If you've got life insurance through your job, you might be thinking you're already covered. So, do you really need anything else? It's one of the most common questions I get, and the honest answer surprises a lot of people. That work policy is better than nothing, but it usually isn't enough to protect your home. I'm Billy Jordan, 20 years in insurance, and for 13 of them, I was the one local agent a national financial program trusted to send their families to, so I'll give it to you straight. If that's helpful, do me a quick favor and tap the like button. It helps these honest breakdowns reach more people counting on their work coverage. So, here's what most people don't realize about that policy at work. There are two big catches with life insurance through your job. First, the amount is usually small, often just 1 or 2 times your salary. That sounds like a lot until you put it next to a mortgage. If you make $60,000 a year and you've got a $300,000 or $400,000 mortgage, a policy worth 1 or 2 times your salary won't come close to paying off the house. Your family could get a check and still lose the home. Second, and this is the big one, that coverage isn't yours. It belongs to the job. The day you leave, get laid off, retire, or change careers, it usually disappears, and you may not be able to take it with you. So the one thing protecting your family is tied to a job you might not have forever. And if you wait until then to get your own coverage, you're older, maybe your health has changed, and it costs more. That's why I have my clients put their own level term life insurance in place, sized to the mortgage, completely separate from work. It belongs to you, not your employer. It stays exactly the same whether you switch jobs 5 times or never. And it's built to match the actual size of your mortgage so it can truly pay off the house, which the work policy usually can't. Keep the coverage at work, that's a nice bonus. Just don't let it be the only thing standing between your family and the mortgage. And people are surprised how affordable your own policy is. A healthy 45-year-old protecting a $400,000 mortgage might run around $75 a month for coverage that actually matches the home and follows you no matter where you work. Your number depends on your age and health, but that's real peace of mind for the price of a couple dinners out. So if the only life insurance you have is through work, let's take 15 minutes and make sure your home is actually covered with something that's yours and stays yours. It's free, no pressure. The link to book is in the description and the pinned comment below. Coverage that disappears when your job does isn't really a plan. Let's build you one that lasts. I'm Billy Jordan. I'll see you in the next one.